Top 5 Best Vacuum Therapy Machine. Here is the item number 5. Vacuum Massage Therapy Machine. High-quality materials are environmentally friendly, safe, non-toxic and harmless to the skin. The cup is designed to be easily grasped and pushed down to create aspiration for treatment. The transparent cup also allows you to see the treatment area and redness of the skin. The specially designed vacuum pump can quickly improve the size and shape of the breast without any pain and health threats. The vacuum pump absorbs fat particles and liquids into the breast tissue and cells, making the breasts more developed. Here is the item number 4. Vacuum Therapy Cellulite Cupping Machine for Guasha. High-quality materials are environmentally friendly, safe, non-toxic and harmless to the skin. For skin lifting, tightening, cosmetic shaping and vacuum massage spa, toxins, purifying the lymphatic system, refining skin pores, remodeling the skin, improving microcirculation. Accelerate fatty acid conversion, safely and effectively remove excess fat, lose weight, slim down, eliminate belly fat, improve leg. Here is the item number 3. iebilif Vacuum Massage Therapy Machine. Unique design, with high market competitiveness. Breast enhancement, augmentation, firming up, lifting. Breast shape correcting, nipple sag improvement. Skin tightening, lifting, firming up. Face, body contouring and reshaping, slimming. Improving elasticity and tone of skin. Improving orange peel-like tissue on the legs, arms, thighs. Blood and lymph circulation improvement. Here is the item number 2. New Vacuum Therapy Machine for Buttocks Breast. It can applied for scrub, point percussion therapy, lymphatic detoxification, treat cellulites, improve buttocks to realize perfect body contour. Effectively to promote uterine contraction and improve sexual apathy. Breast enlargement machine used for skin lifting, tightening, beauty shaping and vacuum massage spa. The professional breast enlargement machine is better to be used at home or beauty salon spa. Here is the item number 1. Digital Breast Beauty Vacuum Breast Enlargement Machine. High-quality material is environmental, safe, non-toxic and harmless to your skin. The breast enlargement machine is also a lymph detox therapy body massage machine, which could expulse toxin and purify lymphatic system, refine skin pore, rebuild skin and improve microcirculation. Used for different part of body to expedite fatty acid transformation. Safely and effectively remove excessive fat, reduce weight, slim up body. Thanks for watching. Like, comment and share this video. Subscribe this channel.